Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So you guys, it is so great to be here. It is February 1st, Black History Month. Okay, for all my happy Black History Month. It's gonna be a great 29 days. So for today's video, I got some really good things to share with you guys. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Keisha. I do a lot of reviews, tutorials, just reviews on everything. Products from Instagram, skincare products, makeup products, whatever, it ranges. So yeah, definitely check out some of my other videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, how are you? It's nice to see you. I've missed you. And so today's video is gonna be a versus, okay? So we got, I don't know if you guys have ever heard of these two brands, which I'm sure you have because Instagram is tracking, they're looking, they're checking, you know, they're tracking what we be searching and throwing all these ads at us all the time. So today is gonna be a versus of Velvet Caviar and Burga. So it's gonna be a battle of the phone cases, okay guys? So I don't know if you've heard of these two brands, but I have recently purchased from both of them. I'm gonna give you my thoughts about both of them and maybe share a little bit of information about the companies. So let's get into this video. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications for when I post new videos. And yeah, let's get into this video. Cases that I want to talk about is from the company called Velvet Caviar, like I mentioned earlier. So you never heard of Velvet Caviar? They make phone cases, laptop cases, AirPod cases, a different style variety of accessories, but their main focus is phone cases. They have their main two brands of phones is iPhone and Samsung, and so they range from a lot of the, I don't want to say brands, but I don't know what number of from what number iPhone to the most recent iPhone that came out is the cases that they offer. Same with Samsung. One thing I will say is they are on top of it. When the iPhone 12 came out, they were like, y'all ready to get these cases? These cases is available. They're here. We have them. We have these cases for you guys. You ready? So they're on top of staying on top of the new phones that are coming out and offering cases for those phones. So Velvet Caviar is a company based in Brooklyn, New York. It was founded by Michelle Ariane, A-R-A-N. She's the founder. It was started in 2010. Wait, no, I'm sorry. It was started in 2013 when she started the company. And so this company has been founded, I mean not found, but shown in Pop Sugar, Allure, Vogue, Wired, Bustle, all those magazines or whatever. Reviews, lots of people have purchased from them. Check out their Instagram. They have their Instagram. They have their website, which I will all link below. Definitely the website. So yeah, very interesting. I really do like their cases. Let me show you what I got first, and then I will talk about the company, about the cases, and how I feel about them. So let's go. When I received my package, when I ordered this, it didn't take me long for me to get my package. It came in this like little plastic bag right here. Also got this little card or whatever along with that. I love that their package comes with these little stickers you can put on your phone or case too. I also got a laptop case from them. See, this is one of the cases right here since I pulled it up. This lip case is everything. This is the nude lip case for the iPhone 11 Pro Max. You guys, it's so cute. And then I also have, I'm jumping right in here, the matching laptop case. Oh my God, how adorable is that? It's like everything, so much life. Like, and it also comes with the keyboard silicone. Y'all, excuse me, my dirty laptop. But yeah, this is the laptop case, the matching, and they have numerous cases, phone cases and laptop cases, MacBook laptop cases that match. So I love that about it. I love that this is the silicone right here. I love that in a case. I prefer that over the plastic. And that is one of my pros about this case. And I love this nude lip case. It's just adorable. Okay, let me show you the other things that I got. I also got this Bobola case, whatever you want to call it, and this army fatigue case, as well as this little phone grip, which should match this one. I'm gonna take these out so you can see it. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, the price range for all of their phone cases are like, see that? And this is the little silicone. I like that. And this is the little thing it comes in. I like when my phone cases look like this. This is how I prefer my phone cases. And then let me show you the fatigue one. This is a nude fatigue. I love this. This is so cute. This one. Yeah. So these phone cases, I didn't say the price, but they're $30 a piece. That's expensive for a phone case. I will say these phone cases are so expensive. But they do 20% off, and like during Christmas time, they had like buy one, get one free, I think. But right now they're offering 20% off when you buy 2 or more cases. So this is the little phone grip. Thought this was super cute, and to go with this, it's gonna be adorable. Okay, this is so adorable right there. Ah, okay. So, and the phone grip was $12. So the phone grips are $12 and the cases are $30, and you can get 20% off when you buy 2 or more items right now. We all know the best sales are when you get it through Black Friday, when they had a really good sale going on. But that's not when I got these, so I think I ended up paying the 20% off. But I think it was like buy one get one free during that time. So yeah, those are the cases I got for Velvet Caviar. I really like these cases. I really like that they're like the little plastic or whatever, or the silicone-y plastic cases, which I prefer. I like the design on them. They're really, really cute. I like these grips that they offer. Here's my phone case that I have on now. Just love it. I love their MacBook cases, and I love that it matches with the phone case. So right now, I'm giving it an A. I really like it. I really like it. I suggest you go try it. Buy it. I really do suggest these phone cases for you to pay $30. I feel like I've dropped my phone numerous times and I haven't had an issue, you know, with it cracking or breaking thus far. All you really need is one of these plastic cases and a screen protector, and you're good. You don't even really need that big thick, what is that case called? The big thick case anymore, because your phone is pretty durable now, at least to me, I feel like. So that is Velvet Caviar. Now we're gonna move on to Burga, and I'm going to show you guys the cases I got from them. Moving on to Burga, I want to talk a little bit about the company. It's based in Lithuania. They offer phone cases, AirPod cases, MacBook cases as well. And I feel like it took forever for me to get my package. I ordered it in end of December, and I just got it like last week. So, or mid-January. So it took like a whole month. And I get it, it's coming from Lithuania, which is far, and it was shipped through DHL, then transferred, I think, from DHL to the post office. So it was a long process with this, getting this package, and this is why it took so long. So long for me to do this video, because I'm waiting on this package for these burger cases. And I had to reach out to them like, excuse me, ma'am, like, I ordered this like 3 weeks ago. Where is my package? And I'm tracking it, and it's still saying it's at the same place. Like, where's my package? Where's my phone cases? And she was like, hold on, you know, it's coming, blah, 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 when they responded back. They responded back promptly, so there's no worries with that, with customer service. That was all good. It was just, it took me forever to get my package. And I don't know if it's just because it says it takes like 5 to 15 days for you to get your package when it's shipping to the US. So I was like, okay. And I don't know, maybe it's in addition to, it was the holidays and COVID. So tack all that on top of 2 to 15 days, we're at like a month and a week. So that was my only thing with that. When I got the package, this is what it came in, this little black package. Cute. So the phone cases I got were these 4. The bag is adorable. Like, to say I don't love this bag, like, oh my gosh, this is the cutest bag, you know, to keep your phone case in. Their phone cases range from $30, but they all have a good sale. Like, if you buy 2, you get 2 for free. So that's what I got, and I think that's what's going on. No, I know that's what's going on right now. If you buy 2, you get, oh, no, sorry. What's going on right now is if you buy 4, you pay for 2. So yeah, essentially it's the same thing. Or if you buy 6, you pay for 3. So pay for 2, buy 4, pay for 2, buy 6, pay for 3. So you're only paying for half, which is a good deal. So you're getting 3 free. You're getting 2 or 3 free. So you can't beat that. Okay, and so these are the cases. So cute. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys which cases I got. Okay guys, so let's get into unboxing these cases. So the first one is called Why Not. It is upside down, but you guys, this is just the cutest print. This green, leopard, yellow and black print. I thought that was cute. It has a little burger down here. It's just a little plastic case, that's it. The one thing I don't like about it is that it's plastic. Like plastic. Like, I thought it would be like the little silicone plastic cases like Velvet Caviar, but it's not. And I feel like these are cheaper to me. Like, for $30, you want me to pay for this little plastic, I don't know, plastic case? I feel like I prefer the plastic silicone versus this little plastic case. And I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on my phone. But this is the Why Not. Like I said, each case ranges from $30, but if you buy 2, you get 2 free. The next one I have is the almond latte. Very cute. I like this because I like this print. It's very nude and it goes with everything, and I just feel like it's so classic and sophisticated. So that's the almond latte. The next case I got is the mint ice cream. This one's super cute. Like the pink, the mint colored snake skin. Thought that was adorable. They have so many prints that they offer. It's hard to choose. Like, they have so much to choose from. Just like Velvet Caviar has so much to choose from, so do they. And the last one I got was pistachio cheesecake. And this is like a green marble, which I love because it reminds me, you know, it resembles my phone. And that is the main reason why I got the Why Not and the mint ice cream. So these are the 4 cases that I got from Burga. I have to say, yeah, I love the prints of these cases. I don't like the plastic case, like the actual case. I don't like that feeling of it. But I'm gonna put it on my phone and see how it looks. Because I'm just curious. I just want to know how this is going to look. Now I'm gonna try the pistachio because I like. Okay, so this is what it looks like on my phone. Huh, that's cute. It's still cute, but yeah. It's still cute, but like I said what I said, and I like what I like. Okay, so that's that one. Okay, let me see what the mint ice cream looks like. I don't know, might as well just try them all, right? That's the mint ice cream on my phone. Okay, and then let's see the almond latte. Like I said, I have an iPhone 11 Pro Max, and so this is what they're on. That's cute. Very cute though. Oh shoot, I can't get it off. Okay. Okay, and here's the last one. This one looks the best. Look at that. With that green. Yeah. Okay, so those are my Burga cases. If I had to choose between the two, I say I'm leaning more towards the Velvet Caviar versus Burga. And they're the same price point. I feel like you get more with Burga. You get more for your value. So you're paying, if you get 2 free, you're essentially paying, like, how much is it? Is it like, what's half of 30? I don't know. You're paying 60 divided by 4. So yeah, I'm feeling the Burga's price and the value, the amount of product you get, versus Velvet Caviar. I like the actual product more because I like the actual silicone of the case. I feel like it's more durable to me than this plastic case. So yeah, I'm leaning more towards this than this. I'm leaning more towards this on price versus this and what you get. Price and product, this. Because these are more expensive and we're not going to get as many. So yeah, with both of these things, with this you can use Afterpay, I think. No, with both of these you can use Klarna. So if you want to do 4 installment payments every 2 weeks, you can do that through Klarna, through their app, on both of these, at both of these companies. You just have to do it through Klarna. But yep, you guys, that's it. I mean, there's really nothing else to say. So comment below if you like Velvet Caviar or Burga better based on this video. Yeah, guys, I would just love your feedback. If you have any more phone case companies that I could look at or maybe review, let me know in the comments below. Like I said, it was good to do this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.